if I told you aliens might already be here, not coming, not far away, here? And we've seen them without even realizing it. For decades, strange objects have darted across our skies. Unidentified crafts have outmaneuvered fighter jets. Entire civilizations left behind ancient carvings of sky gods. And even today, governments are quietly admitting something is out there. But here's the twist. Maybe they're not out there at all. Maybe they've been with us this whole time. And if that's true, then the real question isn't where are the aliens? It's what do they want? Today, we're pulling back the curtain on one of the most mind-bending ideas in science and history. Because by the end of this video, you might never look at the sky, or even the ocean, the same way again. Let's rewind. Science has a paradox. It's called the Fermi paradox. The question is simple. If the universe is full of stars, planets, and time, then where is everybody? Shouldn't the galaxy be buzzing with life? The math says yes. The reality? Silence. But here's where things get strange. The silence might not mean emptiness. It might mean we've been looking the wrong way. Because for centuries, humans have recorded things that don't add up. Ancient temples aligned perfectly with the stars. Cave paintings showing beings descending from the sky. Modern pilots chased by objects that physics can't explain. And in 2020, the US Pentagon finally admitted, officially, that they have footage of unidentified aerial phenomena. Not myths, not conspiracies, military data. So, what if the answer to Fermi's paradox is this? We're not waiting for aliens to arrive. They're already here. All right, let's break this down. There are 4 major pieces of evidence that fuel the idea aliens might already be here. And each one gets weirder. Number 1, ancient signs. Let's start thousands of years ago. Civilizations all across the world, from Egypt to the Americas to Mesopotamia, spoke of sky gods who came from above. They weren't described as myths. They were described as real beings. Take the Nazca lines in Peru. Massive geoglyphs carved into the desert, some only visible from the sky. How? Why? To signal someone above? Or the pyramids of Giza? Perfectly aligned to Orion's belt with engineering precision we still debate today. And get this, in India's ancient texts, the Vedas, there are stories of flying crafts called vimanas, weapons that could level entire cities. Sounds eerily close to fighter jets and missiles. Now skeptics say, these are myths, symbolism, nothing more. But what if they're cultural memories? Echoes of real encounters with something not human. Number 2, modern evidence. Fast forward to today. In 2004, US Navy pilots reported chasing a Tic Tac shaped object off the coast of California. It dropped from 80,000 feet to sea level in less than a second. No sonic boom, no visible propulsion. And it outmaneuvered fighter jets designed to dominate the skies. The Pentagon confirmed this footage. Official. Real. They don't know what it is. And that's not all. Declassified reports show hundreds of similar encounters. Objects tracked on radar, diving into the ocean, vanishing into thin air. Here's the twist. These sightings aren't just in America. Pilots, astronauts, and even space agencies worldwide have logged encounters. One chilling NASA transcript from Apollo 11 has astronauts reportedly saying, "They're here. They're parked on the side of the crater, watching us." Officially denied. But goosebumps, right? So if UFOs or UAPs aren't ours, and they're not from our enemies, what's left? Number 3, biological clues. Now let's talk biology. What if aliens aren't just in the skies, but already on Earth, in forms we don't recognize? Here's a shocking fact. Octopuses. Their DNA is unlike anything else on Earth. Scientists have called them alien more than once. They can edit their own RNA, change color instantly, and solve puzzles like mammals. Some researchers have even suggested their genetic code may have arrived via panspermia, life seeded from space. And it's not just octopuses. We've found extremophiles, organisms that survive in boiling acid, under crushing Antarctic ice, or even in the vacuum of space. If life can thrive there, why not out there? Now imagine an intelligence advanced enough to look human, but not be. Would we even know? Number 4. Hidden among us. The invisible presence. What if aliens aren't hiding in space? What if they're hiding here? Some researchers point to USOs, unidentified submersible objects. UFOs spotted diving into oceans without a splash. Imagine entire bases deep under our oceans, 95% of which remains unexplored. Others say they may exist in a spectrum we can't see. Just like ants can't perceive Wi-Fi, maybe alien technology operates in dimensions we can't access. And then there's dark matter. 85% of the universe is made of it. We can't see it. We don't know what it is. What if it's not just matter? What if it's them? Here's a fact. In 2019, US Navy sonar picked up a fast-moving underwater object. Faster than any submarine. Classified. Never explained. If they're here, they may not be in orbit. They may be in the water, or even walking among us. So here's the big reveal. What if we're not waiting for first contact? Because it already happened. Think about it. Ancient civilizations may have documented them. Modern militaries have chased them. Biology hints at alien fingerprints in life itself. And our oceans, still largely a mystery, could be hiding entire civilizations. This isn't about, are aliens real anymore? The real question is, how long have they been here? And more importantly, what do they want? Are they watchers? Guiding us quietly? Making sure we don't destroy ourselves? Are they farmers? Seeding life? Experimenting, studying? Or are we just ants in their cosmic zoo? Watched, ignored, irrelevant? Here's the chilling thought. If they're already here, then maybe Earth was never truly ours. Maybe we've been sharing it all along. So, what does it mean if aliens are already here? It means we're not the top of the food chain. We're not the sole masters of Earth. We're just tenants. It also means first contact won't be a future event. It's history. And maybe ongoing. But here's the silver lining. If they've been here all this time, and we're still here, maybe that's a good sign. Maybe they're not hostile. Maybe they're guardians, guides, or just observers waiting for us to grow up as a civilization. Or maybe we're simply too unimportant for them to notice. Either way, the search for aliens stops being about out there. It becomes about right here. Our oceans, our skies, even our DNA. The universe isn't silent. We just might not be listening properly. So now I'll leave you with this. If aliens are already here, maybe the real question isn't where are they, but why are they hiding? Are they waiting for us to discover them? Or are they deliberately keeping their distance because the truth is something we're not ready to face? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I want to hear your theories. And if this video opened your mind, hit that subscribe button and join us here on X10ly, where science, technology, and mystery collide. Because the biggest story of humanity might not be in the future. It might already be happening right now.